If you love rain but hate getting wet, imagine being a bunny floating in the sky on a rainy day. Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there was a little bunny named Binky. One day, it started to rain, but this wasn't any ordinary rain. The raindrops were so big they made Binky float into the sky. Up, up he went, bouncing on water drops like a trampoline. Binky saw colourful rainbows and sang with the birds. It was the most fun adventure ever. And guess what? When the rain stopped, Binky gently floated back to the ground, safe and sound. What a magical day. Remember, kids, every storm brings a little bit of magic. See you next time.